Welcome to a box break by TradeCardsNow.com, sponsored by Upper Deck. Today we are going to bust a box of 2009 Philadelphia football. All these cards are going out to our members, so if you're not a member of TradeCardsNow.com yet, please come join. Always go visit UpperDeck.com. Get information on upcoming products, checklists, and anything you need to know about their products. It's our one oversized. Guess that one will stay with TCN. Packs are going out to the members. They use some of their TCN cash for each pack that they're purchasing. Quickly see what our oversized is. Congratulations. We have received an auto Percy Harvin. Very nice looking card. So that will figure out, there's the auto, figure out what we'll do. That might hit eBay to help pay for some of the shipping costs. Let's get right into this. First pack is going to go to Scott. There's 20 packs per box. This is what the cards look like. Try to go through these really quick. Clinton Portis. There's a decoy, driver, Castle in there. Pack number 2 also going to Scott. Westbrook, Williams, McGee, and Obama card. All kinds of Obama cards in the products. Just finished watching the Cowboys beat up on the Raiders. So we'll go to Panther Fan. Panther Fan 68. Fitzgerald, Roy Williams, Frank Gore. Got a hit, Deuce McAllister. Game used, not numbered. Again, we'll go to Panther Fan 68, pack number 4. Let us know what you think about the football season, how it's going. Getting into Paris peace talks. Getting into the playoff hunt right now. Who do you think should be MVP? Mr. Favre, maybe Manning, Drew Brees. Will be a interesting vote this year. Steven Jackson, Jamarcus Russell, Decoy, Calvin Johnson, Hightower, Ronnie Brown. That was pack number 5, which was Bucks pack. 6 is also Buck. Moore, Vilma, Hainsworth. Pack number 7 going to Bucks. Marcus Ware on the back. Slayton killed my fantasy team. Braylon Edwards, Falco. Pack number 8. Rob. Let's see what we got here. Greg Jennings. Oh, Lance Briggs auto. That is on card. Philadelphia signatures. Right there. Get on that auto. That is not numbered. Again, that is going out to Rob. Also got a mini card of Brian, or I don't even want to try to say his name. Zoom in on it. Everybody can yell at me for how to pronounce that. Little, Mathis, and Tuck. Pack number 9. Scott's 4th pack. Scott's been saving up his TC and cash. Gerard, Owen Daniels, Rudy, decoy, Tom Brady. Ernest Graham on the back, pack number 10. Panthers fan 28. Another Obama card. Lance Moore, Steve Smith. Pack number 11. 11 and 12 are also going to Panther fan 28. Mushin Muhammad. A die. We got a Ronnie Brown, nice looking card. William Miller, mini card. A fixture in Republican politics. Julian Peterson, Brady Quinn, and Manning. Pack 12. Torrey Holt, Keem Nicks, Felix Jones, Kevin Smith. 13 going out to Rob. Justin Fargas, Marion Barber. 3rd, Tomlinson, Urlacher, 1968 election years. Chris Long, Jonathan Stewart, and Adrian Peterson. Another one for Rob. So we should have one more hit we're searching for. Antonio Gates in there. Witten, OK day for my fantasy tight end. Pack 15. This is going out to Grinch. Big Niner fans. Hope we got a Niner in here for him. Joey Porter, Norwood Sanchez rookie. That's going out to Grinch. Sanchez definitely not as hot as he started. 16, Panther fans 68. Tony Jones, Reggie Bush, Mario Williams, Adrian Peterson card. Ronald Reagan mini. Show off that Peterson really quick. Everyone loves AP. Brandon Marshall, Kyle Orton. 4 more. Pack 17. This is going Grinch, then Rob, and then the last 2 are Bandit. Merriweather, Pennington, Cooley, Frank Gore, Jared Mayo, Isaac Bruce, and Gonzalez. Rob's last pack here. Mike Peterson, Warwick Dunn, Frank Tarkenton. Rob pulls a Tony Gonzalez fabric. Big box for Rob. 2 of the hits go out to him. Beeson, Avery, Willie Parker. Last 2 packs are Bandits. Deshaun Jackson, Wes Welker. There's a Breeze, Andre Johnson, Sean Hill. Last pack to Bandit. Reggie Wayne on the back, Forte, Curry, another Obama card. There's our decoy, Randall L, Hester, Reggie Wayne. So again, thanks for watching. Thank you Upper Deck for sending us some cards to bust and send out to our members. If you're not a member of TradeCardsNow.com, please come check us out.